The singing was fantastic.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
Songs that you forget that are there and part of the show. Yeah, it's been really good fun.
Really enjoyed the show, which is very good, very entertaining. We've come up from Connecticut and it was really worth it.
Absolutely wonderful. Very well put together. Superb.
Watching my daughter's reaction, I kept glancing across and we laughed a lot. And it's, yeah.
She had all the mannerisms of Julie Andrews. She must have watched it right throughout her life.
It's good. We like Jason from
We're all Jason fans.